When you need some serious muscle on a tough construction job, you definitely need a dozer. They push, they roll, they reshape the earth. You can always count on a dozer to get the job done. And our dozer knows all about getting the job done. He's big, he's strong, and he's smart. After all, when you're working on a construction site, you can cause big problems if you don't work smart. Piles of dirt and rocks in the wrong place isn't a job well done. It's dangerous. Vehicles are always looking to Dozer for advice and help. Dozer and his friends build, play, and solve problems every day from morning till night. Because playing in the dirt is what it's all about. Don't forget to follow all of their adventures right here.